Yo, what's going on, everybody? Chad Bennett here, your Make Money Online Coach, and welcome back to another online money making video where we primarily talk about marketing, mindset, motivation, and how to make money online and put money in your pocket. Now, you're gonna wanna stick with me through this entire video because in this video, I'm gonna share with you one of my favorite methods to earn free cryptocurrency that you can convert into Bitcoin. I'm also going to show you how you can get started mining Bitcoin for doing things that you're doing every single day. Anyways, it's very, very simple to do. If you don't know much about cryptocurrency, this is the video for you because I'm going to show you exactly how you can learn about cryptocurrency, earn free cryptocurrency, and mine cryptocurrency. Very, very simple. It's all super beginner friendly, and you're absolutely going to love this. This is where I got started on my crypto journey. And by the way, I want to put a small disclaimer out there. I don't believe that you will get rich just doing what I'm going to show you in this video today, but I am going to share with you my #1 recommendation at the end of this video of how you can get started doing what I'm doing online that I got started a year ago and absolutely have had phenomenal success of how you can start your own online business and scale that through the roof, get a life of freedom, get time back on your side, fire your boss, quit your 9-to-5, and start your life of freedom. So if any of this sounds interesting to you, you're gonna wanna stick with me through this entire video. Let's get started. All right, you guys, as promised, so we're gonna get straight into this content and show you exactly how you can start earning up to $166 worth of free crypto, you guys. It's very beginner friendly. You're absolutely going to love this. By the way, if you have not subscribed to this channel and you like videos about how to make money online, make sure that you subscribe, hit that bell notification. That way you're notified immediately when I come out with new content, because I come out with videos every single week, just like the one that you're watching right now, teaching you the best money-making strategies on the internet. And you don't want to miss any of those because they're all great opportunities to put some extra money in your pocket. Make sure that you like this video if you find any valuable content, and make sure that you drop me a comment. Show me some love. It helps to grow this channel and helps get this information out to as many people as possible. And lastly, don't forget to share these videos with your friends and your family so that they can earn some extra money as well. So let's get into this just as promised. All right, let's go ahead and jump straight into this. Right now, we are jumping into my computer and we are looking at Coinbase.com. And by the way, I've left links down in the description of this video to everything that we're going to be reviewing today to make it very simple for you to navigate to these websites. And yes, those are affiliate links. I may make a small commission if you click those links and get signed up to these websites. I just want to put that out there. Small disclaimer, just want to be honest. These are 100% legitimate money making opportunities that will bring you directly to the websites that we're looking at right now. So once you've navigated to Coinbase.com by clicking on the link down in the description, what you're going to want to do first is click right here where it says Get Started. It's going to prompt you to create your Coinbase account. You're going to enter your first name, last name, email address, make a password, choose where you live. You must be 18 years of age or older to create your account. You'll create that. I think they send you a confirmation email. It's very, very simple to get signed up and get started with Coinbase. Now, if you're wondering, what is Coinbase, Chad? What am I actually signing up for? Well, what Coinbase is a crypto wallet. And if you don't know what that is, a crypto wallet is basically like a bank account. So if you picture like any type of savings account, checking account, it's similar to that where you actually hold all of your currency, your money, right? But in this terms, a crypto wallet is holding all of your different cryptocurrencies because you can buy and sell and hold all the different cryptocurrencies that you're going to be earning on this platform. Now, if you're wondering, why do I even want to do any of this? It's because you're going to need a Coinbase account, and I recommend sticking with Coinbase because Coinbase is one of the top crypto wallets. And if you don't believe me, I simply ran a search. You can see right up here at the top crypto wallets. And the first thing that pops up is Coinbase wallet. That's #1 right there. If you come down here to the 7 best Bitcoin wallets right here, this blog right here, you can see the 7 best. This gentleman, I'm not sure what his name is, but maybe it's at the bottom of this. But he's Eric Rosenberg wrote this on November 20th, 2019, and it shows up first in the search results, and you can see best overall crypto wallet, Coinbase, right here. And you can read through this, but Coinbase is one of the easiest ways to buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrencies. So that's why I'm telling you about Coinbase. You're going to need this for the second step in this video, which is very, very easy as well. But what's really cool about Coinbase right here is that these guys, if you're new, if you're a beginner to cryptocurrency, these guys are going to pay you up to $166 worth of different kinds of cryptocurrency just to learn about crypto. And it's so simple. Now, to get started doing this is once you've created your account, you're gonna click either up here where it says up to 166, or you can click right here where it says start earning. Now, once you've clicked on that start earning tab and you have created your account, you're going to be brought to this page that we're looking at right here. And this is exactly where you want to be. You should be seeing earn crypto while learning about crypto. And here is exactly where we want to be to get started doing this. Now, I want to bring you down the page here because this explains this very simply and it helps me explain it. And I don't want to overcomplicate this at all. I have a video right here that I want to direct your attention to as well. It's a minute and 35 seconds. It's very short and it's very informative and it's a great place to get started as well. I highly recommend you check this out. But how does Coinbase Earn work? How are you going to earn free cryptocurrency? Well, you're going to be watching videos. So if you like to watch videos, and by the way, you're going to have to pay attention to these videos because they're going to give you a small quiz, and you're gonna have to complete this simple quiz once you've watched these little 2 to 5 minute videos. Don't freak out, you guys. The quizzes are not hard. They are simple. I promise you that. I've taken them. It's not hard at all to pass these. So they have different modules that I'll show you here in just a second. And I'm gonna show you exactly where to focus your attention so that you can maximize your efforts and earn the most free cryptocurrency possible. So make sure that you're sticking with me here. You do not want to miss the information that I have to share with you. So you'll watch the educational videos, you're gonna be completing a simple quiz, and then after you complete the quiz, you will receive crypto in your Coinbase wallet for every quiz that you complete. Now, like I said, this is so simple to do. You're watching small, short videos. They're teaching you about cryptocurrency. You complete the small quiz and you earn that free crypto. And then you can get started today. Earn opportunities are only available for a limited time to a small set of customers. Small disclaimer here. Make sure that you get signed up immediately. It can take some time before you receive an invitation, if you receive an invitation at all, to actually earn with Coinbase. Even if you don't receive an invitation, you guys, you're going to need a Coinbase account if you're going to be doing anything with cryptocurrency, because you need a wallet. So it doesn't have to be Coinbase, but I highly recommend Coinbase. I like these guys a lot. And as you can see, they're rated #1. So how do we get started doing this? Once you've done that, you've created your account, you come back up here and they have different modules that you can see right here that you can take. And you want to focus your attention on these ones that are green. For instance, this Orchid OXT one right here pays out 52 OXT. Once you start the module, we'll click on this just to show you. And you click on it, and then they have beginner lessons. So I said this is beginner friendly. Each lesson takes just 3 to 4 minutes to complete. And as you can see right here, these are different videos that you watch. 3-minute video right here. They tell you what is Orchid. You can earn up to 4 OXT just for watching this video, completing the small quiz. They're gonna pay you $4 of OXT. Each one of these right here that actually say earn, they're going to pay you for. And then if you want to share this with your friends and your family and help them earn, free cryptocurrency as well, you can earn an extra 40 OXT just for sharing this out and teaching them how they can earn free cryptocurrency just for learning about this as well. Another great opportunity right there. And then they have different modules. They show these down here, but if we go back, it's the same thing right here. So they have Tezos XTZ. You can earn up to $6 of XTZ by taking this course right here. And they have courses that don't have this green thing right here, right? So it's great educational opportunity, but they're not going to pay you for those. So if you want to focus your attention and maximize your time, focus on the ones that say that they're going to pay you. Like the EOS one right here, you can earn $50 of EOS. You can earn $50 of XLM. And then basic attention token, $8 of that. So that's where you want to focus your attention. Now, the next part of this video is going to be very exciting as well. It's something that I do personally to earn some free cryptocurrency for doing things that I do every single day anyways. Now, moving on to step 2 of this video to earn you even more free cryptocurrency, more specifically Bitcoin. If that interests you, if you want to earn free Bitcoin for doing something that you're doing every single day anyways, stick with me through the rest of this video. It's very important, it's very simple, and I'm gonna explain exactly how this happens. It's so simple that it's absolutely brainless, right? Because everybody is using a web browser and surfing the web. why not swap out your web browser with Crypto Tab browser that you see right here in front of us right here. You can get this downloaded. You can get this set up on your Android devices as well as iOS devices. You download this, and basically what this is like using Google Chrome. It looks and feels and works just like Google Chrome. So if you're used to Google Chrome, this is very similar to that. So if you're wondering, how does it work? Well, basically, once you install this web browser, this is how simple this is, you guys. It's really not complicated at all. Once you install this web browser and set it as your default browser, every time that you have your browser window open and you are surfing the web, you are going to be mining Bitcoin in the background automatically on autopilot and earning free crypto, Bitcoin more specifically. It's so simple that literally I don't understand why more people are not doing this. Why not have, a web browser that's working for you? Everyone's, surfing the web anyways. Why not earn some free cryptocurrency? This is 100% secure. There's more than 10 million users across the globe already earning with Crypto Tab browser. And stick with me here because I'm going to show you how you can multiply your efforts. Yes, it gets even better than that. You can multiply your efforts and create a whole mining team and start earning even more free cryptocurrency with Crypto Tab browser. So how do you get started doing this? The first thing that you're going to want to do is go down into the description. Again, I've left a link down there for you to very simply click on. It will bring you over to this page. You're going to want to focus your attention right here. You want to click on the appropriate link right here, right? If you have a Windows platform, if it's Android, if it's iOS, you'll click on that. You'll get Crypto Tab browser installed on your device and you'll start mining Bitcoin in the background. They have all kinds of different convenience features to make it very effortless to import your data from other browsers so you have the same look and feel. We're talking about things such as like bookmarks, favorites, your history, all the different browsing extensions. They have over 150,000 different browsing extensions that you can add in here. These are similar to plugins to create the same look and feel of like Google Chrome. And then these guys are boosting your speed up to 8 times to increase the Bitcoin mining earnings. So you earn even more free Bitcoin by using Crypto Tab browser. It's so simple to do. And here's what I love the most is that you can mine Bitcoins yourself and you can invite friends so you can earn even more and you can maximize your use on this platform. And you can seriously create a gigantic mining pool and earn a percentage of everybody's efforts that's in your mining pool. Let me show you exactly how this works. All right, I hope you guys are still with me and that you're paying close attention because this is how you seriously blow this up. I've saved the best for last for you right here. It's so simple to do. And this is how you can also get started in affiliate marketing and really blow it up and start earning a ton of free Bitcoin just for doing something that you're doing every day anyway. So here is how we get started, right? You're gonna get signed up. You're gonna grab your own personal affiliate link that they're going to provide for you. This is very simple to do. You simply click on this affiliate tab right here, and then you will copy your URL. They have tons of great promotional material as well. And simply at the click of a button, you can share this with everybody that you know on Facebook, Twitter, all the different social platforms. And make it so easy to do. You share it with all your friends, your family, and you simply just share your excitement about how you're earning free Bitcoin simply by mining it with your web browser, and it happens completely on autopilot. And then what's going to happen, for example, this goes all the way 10 layers deep. They will pay you up to 10 layers deep. And here's how this will work, right? Let's just say that you invited 5 people, and then those 5 people invited 5 people, and this went 10 layers deep. And you can change these numbers too, just to see how the figures will change, but we'll just leave it at the default setting right here. You can bump it all the way up to 10 if you like, but just to be conservative right here, we'll leave it at 5, right? And we'll just say that this scenario played out, and this is how much money you could potentially be earning just for sharing your affiliate link and getting paid a percentage of all your friends, your family, and their friends and families mining efforts, right? A huge mining pool. This is how this would play out. Let's click calculate my income, and you're gonna see right here, you could potentially be earning all the way up to $40,636, roughly 5.9 Bitcoin with what Bitcoin is trading at right now. That is a lot of money. And let's just say that didn't happen, right? Let's just say it only made it down to the 4th or 5th round right here. You're still earning $75 to $250, I believe it's per month, every single month, as long as everyone continues to use this browser and continues to mine Bitcoin. Now stick with me here and think about this for just a moment. What you're seeing right here, what you're witnessing is the power of affiliate marketing. This is how you can have earning potential such as what you're seeing right here. And you can see how easy it is to get this information out there. Share your affiliate link. This is a great way, like I said, to get started in affiliate marketing and start earning some serious cash. But what if we could do even better than this? What if we could do even better? Now, if you're wondering, what do you mean? How could I do better? Well, this is exactly where I was simply a year ago, you guys. And without going into too much of my story here, I've been at it for a very long time, almost 15 years, trying all kinds of different crazy methods to make money online, chasing around friends and family, trying to sell them all kinds of different crazy products. And I always knew that there was a way, you know, to make a serious amount of cash with the least amount of effort. And a year ago, almost a year ago today, I got started, and I was in the same situation that you are right now, where I was searching how to make money online, affiliate marketing, you know, all kinds of different stuff like that. But what I was after was a 100% legit way to start making money online, someone that would take me by the hand and show me step by step exactly what I needed to be doing so that I could grow my own affiliate marketing business, so that I could do it right, so that I could learn from an expert. And I had a team behind me showing me exactly what I needed to do, because if you want to do anything successfully, you want to get that advice from an expert, someone that knows what they're doing, because you won't struggle nearly as much and you'll be able to focus your attention on what works so that you actually get results and that you actually keep going. So long story short, if you want a real life of freedom where you can quit your 9-to-5, where you can work from anywhere in the world, flexible hours, you guys, as long as you have an internet connection and you want passive income, if you want that type of lifestyle, it's absolutely possible for you. You just have to make a decision. And if you want to know where to get started, check out my #1 recommendation directly beneath this video. It's at the top of the description. That is where I got started literally a year ago today, and I have had phenomenal results. And if for any reason that you don't believe me, I invite you to check out my channel. I have tons of great content on there. Go back to the very first video almost a year ago today. Check that out. Watch the growth, you know, because that's exactly where I focused my attention on one of the individuals that got me started in affiliate marketing, and I could see their growth. The proof was in the pudding. I could go back and I could watch their beginning videos and I could see them grow as an affiliate marketer. And that person, that individual, made over $1 million in, I believe, less than 2 years. So if you're serious, if you want to start your own online business, and by the way, right now you can see why creating an online business is so important. You know, due to these tragic events, online businesses are thriving. You want to have an online business. So if you're thinking about starting an online business, check out my #1 recommendation. It cannot hurt at all. Absolutely recommend that. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share it. Don't forget to drop me a comment, even if you just say make money online. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know your questions. And don't forget to share these videos with your friends and your family so they can make the most money possible as well. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.